Engaging Older Students with Reading Disabilities by Elder Hinshaw, Mansett Williamson, Nelson, and Dunn. It can be difficult for an instructor to find a creative and engaging activity for students with reading disabilities, especially in an inclusive classroom. This article discusses the use of a project that combines multimedia, reading assistive technology, or RAT, and the universal design for learning fundamentals of access, presentation, and motivation. This project, referred to as a PowerPoint inquiry project, has been created to help in phonological awareness, decoding, fluency, and reading comprehension. These projects are highly adaptable. Each topic is based on a student's needs and interests and are designed to complement and support students' development of reading comprehension across the curriculum. In order to create these projects, the students need to be able to find meaning in their own readings and then summarize the main ideas to present to their peers. In order to provide the proper supports and background for students, the following steps are an integral part of assigning a PowerPoint inquiry project. 1. Introduction sections. This time is used to help students become oriented with multimedia presentations and any other assistive technology or resources that they may be using when they're working on their projects. 2. Inquiry sessions. At this time, students are given individualized organizational templates to help structure their own inquiry process. 3. Resource sessions. Resource sessions provide time for students to research their topics. 4. Storyboard sessions. Much like creating storyboards based on pieces of literature that help readers envision a scene, storyboarding a PowerPoint presentation allows the student to choose how to demonstrate the comprehension of the inquiry topic. And 5. PowerPoint presentations. This is a time for students to orient themselves with the PowerPoint program. The pairing of a multimedia project with RAT is typically a very successful way of engaging all students in an inclusive class. I was drawn to this article because it addresses working with high school students with reading disabilities. Because of the expectations that as children, students learn to read, but as they age, they read to learn, literacy and reading comprehension is not always properly addressed at the secondary level. As I read, I was especially struck by the fact that this was thoughtfully designed to be used within an inclusive classroom and could therefore be beneficial to all students regardless of whether they had reading disabilities or otherwise. By combining RAT with a class-wide use of multimedia resources, students are being offered a space where an RAT can be used without any additional observation from other students. They will not be singled out for their use of technology, as the entire class will be creating their own PowerPoints, and the nature of the sessions will allow for orientations in the projects and programs being used for all students. Again, this project is designed to help facilitate inclusion and will also allow students to begin approaching comprehension from a different level as they seek ways to make sure that their own projects are clear and comprehensible.